Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to our channel ALP Talks, General and Electrical Aspects. This is your Lakshmipati. Today I came up with a very good topic about interviews. I am interviewing one of my colleague, my best friend, Mr. Dhanashekhar, who is having around 6 years of experience in software industry. I'm going to just some general things, general aspects. I'm going to discuss with Dhanashekhar. So you keep watching, stay connected, watch till the end, so that you can get more clarity on software world, what's going on, what technologies are there. You might have so many doubts in your mind whether it's okay to go into the software, which field is good. Like that, you might have so many questions. You just keep watch the video till the end. If you have any comments or questions, do comment in the comment section. Yeah, Dhanashekhar, here you told about some 200 employees or your batch is 600 people like that. So generally companies will recruit like a very bulk quantity of people or only like one or two, what you will say on this aspect?
That's what like earlier I told if you have MNC companies, they will recruit in very huge.
Okay.
Means even one example is to our company, to our college, like Tech Mahindra came. They have the capacity of taking, means our college strength is, for example, 1,000 people. Like if you perform well, they will take like 100, 150 students like that.
So if
That is in
talent is there, they will take more also, right?
Yeah. If they have more requirement, they will take more people, and sometimes like they will conduct this off-campus drive. In off-campus drive, they will select around some thousands. They will select, not even hundreds.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, the posting can be anywhere in the India, right? I mean,
Yeah.
yeah. I seen some of my friends who are located at different places. We might in some people are in Delhi, some people are in Haryana, some people are in Calcutta. Yeah, very
Yeah.
different places. Bihar, some people, some are in Mumbai. So the posting, how they will consider, is this based on requirement or just for to have communication skills? They will send there. What you will say?
No, it's different. See how they will send this after completing. I said about the streams. So in Infosys we have these streams. So in the streams they will train mainframe people, Java people, then .NET. So like that they will train. So for example, 50 students they trained in Java. So there is a requirement in Mysore itself for 20 people. So 20 people they will means we will have two options over there. They will ask what are your preferred location. We can select total 3 preferred location where we want to go after completing that train. So one is like out of these 3, if there is any requirement matches, yeah, they will send us to their location. So if there is no requirement in those location, then they will send it to a different location where their requirements are matching. It completely depends on the where the requirement matches. So they will send it to their locations.
Okay. It's not
It
about
not depends on communication. No. That is completely wrong.
yeah, but I thought that because when most of my graduate friends they were posted in North India because there most of the people speak Hindi. I thought that somehow these people will learn English, something like that. I thought like that. Yes, but it's clear.
No. Yeah, that's what, most of the people as a fresher, yeah. As a fresher, most of the people have so many doubts. But only thing is people will not expose their doubts
Yes.
because
Yeah.
as a fresher they will, whatever we are asking, it may be silly, but we should not hesitate to ask even if it is a silly doubt also.
Yes. Asking doubt clears our
Yeah.
mind. Yes. Okay. How is work culture, job and all, Dhanashekhar, in software world? How you feel? Because in core sector where I am working, yes, some companies are very good. Some companies are still following very old traditions, where when an employee enters into the company, he has to see only system. That's it, like wall, nothing else. So how we will say about software world, work culture and all? Can you put some words here?
Sure. software work culture is like very good, because like we have all kind of balancing. Means like it's not only about the work also. In all the companies, if you see, like, yeah, some people will feel pressure, telling like, yeah, I have more work. So yeah, definitely that is there. When we have more work means like when we have like huge requirements, when we have the release date nearby, yeah, at that time we have like very less span of time. So at those time, like we have to spend more time. If you have like lenience to work, like for example, if I'm working to an US project, normally like US people will be shutdowning in November and December. So normally September, October, these times it's a
Peak time.
those times, like whatever the work we have to complete in November, December also, we have to complete earlier. So at that time people will feel like there is a pressure. Yeah, definitely it will be there. In any old, without a pressure nothing will be there. So people will feel pressure at that time. But while coming to the work culture, it will be good. Means like we'll have all types of things, not only about the work. We have like fun activities. It's like games will be there. So extra other activities also will be included.
Okay, okay.
It's just combination of everything.
Yes, yes, yes. We heard about team outing, some luxury life, hotels, restaurants, everywhere you people will go. What about that? Is company will sponsor or yourself sharing and going? How you will say?
No, no, it is completely, it's responsible by the company, because whichever the company we are working, it depends. Like some people will have like every 3 months once they will take us for like maybe like team lunch. They will call it as like team lunch. Means like all the people will gather. They will go on, means any of the weekday only, not in the weekends. Monday to Friday is called as weekdays. So Saturday and Sunday will be off for most of the software companies. So they will not work on Saturdays and Sundays. So maybe most of the people will go for this team lunch on Fridays. So because Friday almost it's like an enjoyment day for software
It's
people.
Friday weekend for you people.
Yeah, it's early weekend started for software people.
Okay.
It's like a Friday
Yeah,
weekend starts.
yeah, it is weekend, but you people are getting
Yeah,
2 days before weekend. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
And after that we have like a team outing also. Yeah, it again depends on the budget and all. So if they have like very good budget, yeah, they will take us to the team outing means it's like complete day. If it is team lunch, it will take for 3 to 4 hours.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, everyone in the team will gather for the team lunch, and they will have like combined, they will have some fun activities over there, and they will come back to the work.
Yes, yes. Yeah, it will boost our mind. It will make our mind very fresh
Correct.
so that we can easily mingle with everyone when we entered it, when we are going to company next time. Yeah, it creates some very good impression in people minds so that they can work.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Apart from that, like just to make like everyone relax, so they will celebrate like everyone's birthday.
Yes, yes.
So if some companies they will sponsor means like parties also, like they will sponsor the cake. Or else like if team is, yeah, team, everyone like they will share and they will means cut the cakes during their birthdays and all. So like that, just it's kind of an relaxation for everyone.
Yes, relaxing mindset. They will create a relaxing mindset in offices. Good
Correct.
environment, look and feel good feeling.
Yeah, you will have like a balanced environment over there.
Mhm.
We can find balanced environment.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, then Shekhar, we have one more question from our audience. Is MTech required in software field or only with the graduation we can proceed? What do you comment on this aspect?
Yeah, that's what, like if you want to enter into any software field, yeah, we need only graduation. Like even now, I saw like some people, those who have completed their BSc in degree also, yeah, they're entering into the software field. So we don't require like post graduation to enter into the software field. Only graduation is required. That is the basic degree for every individual to get into any job. Not only for this one. Only thing is like if you complete MTech, you will have an additional benefits because you have completed your post graduation, so you will be having an additional benefits over there.
Additional
So apart
benefit means like salary or what then, Shekhar? Or otherwise they are placing in some very complex task again or something like that. What you will say on this?
no. That's what it complete does not depends on the work environment. So
Okay.
if you are like post-graduated, yeah, see at the same time when they are paying high salary, you will have high responsibilities also. It's
Yeah, that
both
anyhow
are
that will be there.
linked with yeah, both are like linked with each other. So post graduation means yeah, definitely they will have little bit high pay scale when compared to the graduated people.
Okay.
At the same time, we should have same technical and communication skills. So those things will help us in the software field to grow. Means like we have to keep on doing some certifications. So if you keep on doing the certification, those things, yeah, definitely it will become an value to you, and it will prove you that yeah, you are capable of doing extra things also.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
So
yes, yes.
like that, like even people will recognize you if you keep on doing certifications in your field. Like for example, in Java, if I'm working on Java, yeah, we have like Java certified people, so they will have like more what they'll say, more recognized there.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, nowadays like, certification providing a good value for everyone.
Okay. Can you suggest any some institutions or something who are offering good certification courses or anywhere we can do certification courses? Can you put some
No,
idea on
that's
that?
what like yeah. Certification will not be means like see, if you go to any training center or if you go to any institute, they will teach you the coding skills or the
Yes.
technical skill. They will teach you. Again, it completely up to us. Like they will means no institution is responsible for the certification things. Like very few institutions will be there, but see those certification will not have much value.
Okay.
Already if you are working, so if you are working, for example, if I am working on Java, so if I do Java related certification, yes, it will be good for me and it will be helpful in growing my career opportunities, even like pay wise, like everything it will be good. So before studies and all, I means like doing certification is good, but it is not that much needed for a person to do certified. Because if you get for I mean I just want to give an example. So if means I'm in CSC background, so I just completed like I'm interested in Java, so I completed Java certified. But I got placed into some MNC company. So after placing into MNC company, they trained me on my mainframes. So at that moment, this certification will not have value. Again, if I have the passion and intention to work on Java, yeah, I can learn Java and I can try to switch from mainframe to
Mhm.
Java. In that case, yes, it is useful. So like that, it depends.
Yeah. Yeah, the certification related means I see many people who will say, "Hey, we will if you give money, we will get certification like that." Is this certification
No, no.
same institution will do conduct some examination or like that, or any Indian from government side, any authority is there to take control of all the certificate like 10th certificate, intermediate like that? What you will say? Can you put some words here?
Yeah, that's what like see, no institution will have means if in case like institution if they're providing some certification, it will not have much value or much impact on your career.
Uh,
Only thing is we have to taken from the recognized things. Like for example, if I'm recently I did like cloud certification, means AWS certification we did. So for that AWS trusted means it is an Amazon certified developer course. They will say that is certified from the Amazon. Amazon is a brand.
okay.
So if so it will come from Amazon only. So if it is certified from them, yeah, you will have an value. That is not like means people will think like by money. No, it is
Hmm.
not possible. Only
Only
thing is like you
pure
have to
talent will get those certificates, not like everybody.
correct.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it. Thank you. You elaborated more things today. My mind is clear. Yeah, if you're watching the video for the first time, then subscribe to my channel. Do watch all my previous videos, so that you will get full clarity on all this stuff going outside world. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay connected, guys.